Strategic thinking. Hope is not a strategy. And you know what, guys? This is so overlooked thing in the business world. The companies who are really implementing and are aware of their strategic plans and consciously are doing strategic moves are really growing so much faster than other companies who are basically just there playing around with not knowing where they're going or what they're doing. And so there are really two states for the business. Your business is growing or your business is shrinking. So which one do you have? If you and your people are working, but your business is not growing, then it might be that it doesn't have well-defined strategy. It's a scalable business model and you are executing a mess. Strategy is like a car. It can drive only if you have all the components. And it starts to drive faster when its components start to power each other. If you have a good product, now if you are aware of a specific customer, then your product becomes more attractive because you're putting this product in front of that specific customer who likes that product more than other customers, and so on. So what is the business strategy? It's a master plan that the management of company implements to secure a competitive position in the market, carry on its operations, please customers, and achieve the desired ends of business. In the business, it's a long-range sketch of desired image, direction, and destination of the organization. And what is that destination? It's all about delivering happiness and success to our customers, who will keep coming back and promote our brand and products to their friends. And that's it's all about, friends. You know, if you don't have customers, you don't have business. And that's why we need strategy. That's why it's extremely important that we start thinking about customers and define our strategy around making and delivering people happiness. So, why business strategy is important? First of all, we need to understand what type of game you are playing. Which products make you money? In which market you are? How are you selling and how are you making money right now? What is that game? Are you selling toys? Are you selling pens? Are you selling office goods? What are you selling? Which game are you playing? And then who are your opponents on that specific country, land, area? Where are you making business, right? And what is our strategy to crush your competition and win your customer loyalty and trust? How we are better than others and how we are making these people to come back for more. It's a smart planned conscious decisions. That's what strategy is. It's a smartly planned conscious decisions on how you allocate your energy and resources towards the growth of your business and basically towards the growth towards your customers' success. Because you know, a vision without strategy remains an illusion. We need customers to keep our business going, and we need repeat customers to make our business to grow. And you know, we cannot be everything to everyone. If we try to please everyone, we will end up pleasing no one. And business on 2020 equals repeat customers, and repeat customers equals attractive brand and product to that customer, right? So strategy is about conscious choices. It's about deliberately choosing to be different and to be attractive and useful in certain ways. Without thinking strategically, you have no alignment in the company, alignment with the people you're working with, no direction, no smart execution. You may be doing something that doesn't even grow your company. Smart allocation of resources and no long-term success. And let me give you an example. Like for instance, if you're doing only Amazon business, then it's not a good strategy because it takes you so much time to find a product, to manufacture the product, to ship the product, to make the listing, to start the ads and start selling, and it already, before you notice, you have 6 to 7 months gone. And you spend a lot of money, right? Now you're hoping to get it back. Like I said, strategy is not a hope. It's not a hope. It's specifically constructed actions where you can get with least of effort the most of results. And that's, if we're not starting to think strategically, then that's what we end up. We're putting money on hold and we're hoping that something will change. But strategic thinking and strategic planning will make us to act differently. Maybe we'll start like promotions on subscription models and to find out who is the customer and so on. I mean, you will learn so much on this module, but anyway, I hope you understand how important the strategic thinking is. And you get from this module, you will learn the process of creating competitive advantage. You will define the growth strategy for your business. You will have new disruptive business ideas, and you will know how to apply these tools that we're going to show you. So our goal is that you will keep using these tools and generate continuous flow of ideas to continually accelerate your growth rate. So the whole point of this strategy here is for you to spend less time and grow faster, right? And the best way is to revisit your business strategy and these tools every quarter, so you can adjust when your plans are not working. So it's really important that businesses will start thinking strategically in order to survive in this crazy world of supply and competition, in order for really get this customer who loves you and comes back for you, comes back for more and keeps your business going. So I hope you liked the video. Then thumbs up, right? If you want to hear more from me about how to build Amazon businesses, how to be productive, how to build remote teams, how to automate your Amazon businesses, how to sell Amazon businesses, everything online business related, then please hit the subscribe button and you will hear more from me. So next thing, if you want me to help you, if you find I can help you somehow, then don't hesitate, reach out. You can find links below this video in the description, how you can contact me, and let's have a chat.